I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 and the DJI Mic 2, the standalone, not the receiver. I switch over to the receiver side when I'm on my primary camera doing reviews, talks, and more with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I start my camera sometimes, the shutter button, the record button. If I could get my hands over here where the shirt is at, behind my sweater and all, where the mic 2 is at, I could stop my recording. And I'll do that right now. I'm able to start my recording as well. The thing is, if I had the DJI Mic Mini, which I returned the kit for a number of my personal reasons, and some people don't like that. You're going to find behind clothing, heavy clothing, you're going to have trouble hitting the pair link button, finding out where it's at. And that's why I like the DJI Mic 2 better. You're in a wintry season, you're going to find that any LiPo battery is going to lose power, especially on a Mic Mini where it doesn't have any insulation whatsoever. The Mic 2's got a little bit more beef and heaviness to it, and the battery is behind some things than just being in the open. Somebody wants to be daring and open up their DJI Mic Mini and let me know what type of chip is in there, as well as the DJI Mic 2. Are they equal? The same? It's not a condenser mic, it's a chip mic. I think it's a chip mic. I don't think it's a cellophane condenser mic. I kind of said enough. I had enough. No, I'm going to go back to the DJI Mic Mini later. Not right now. So yeah, I'll definitely get one later. So I filled my tires up with air. Let me tell you, I'm really rolling along, pedaling less. When you lose air, you're going to slow on down. So I'm out here heading out because I need to do a review of a pair of binoculars. I just need to get a couple of scene shots. And that's what I'm doing. I'm all set up with a tripod I got. It's got the magnetic mount. I'm going to see if I could just get a shot through the eyes of a binocular. So I updated my Filmora 13 perpetual plan, and when I put up Filmora 14, there went 13. So if I was to load 13 back on, I think one wipes the other out. But I still can use it and set it up on another machine. I'm on 14.0.8. Everything worked fine. Somebody says, oh yeah, we're already up to 14.1.6. I couldn't get it. Somehow it's like pulled off of the market. So I contacted Filmora, Wondershare, and they said, it's being uploaded as we speak, and it'll get to you sooner or later in those ways. So they gave me 14.1.5 gray. And I immediately uploaded to 14.1.6 through 14.1.5. And guess what? I got issues. I got like flash of black. And every 30 seconds or so, it's just flashing at me. Comes quite annoying. When I edited it with 14.0.8, I didn't have that. So I reverted back down. My problems are solved until the next updated firmware comes out. But I think I could go up to 14.1.5 and give it a shot to see if the flashing's in there. That I didn't do. Oh, people complain. They complain about little things. No, they just let people know how they feel about the things they do. People may love, people may hate, but that's the way it is with this. So I'm kind of like figuring out, do I really need to go spend $3,000 plus for a MacBook Pro M4 that has a lot of power? Not at all. Right now, I'm contented. I know I got some issues, but I fix them, I figure them out, and I move along until my machine dies. That's when I go about. I'm out here today with a pair of binoculars to get some shots to see. I could look at that boat nice and close up, and we'll show you through the view of the pair of binoculars. They come with a nice carrying case and a carrying strap. And we're going to show you what this binoculars are all about. This is 20 by 50 multi-coated optic, 588 meters to 1,000 meters. You have caps on the front, caps on the rear, and they're easily removed. You're able to adjust, you're able to focus, and adjust the optics. This is where you add the straps. We'll show you where the boat's at through the pair of binoculars. A close-up shot looking at the duck and the seagulls. The binoculars, able to see 1,000 meters away, nice and clear and close up. Rugged, rubber, plastic, glass optics, adjustable, with the adjustable optics with rubber eyelids, soft. I'll show you what you get. So I did my review, got the shots I needed. What a beautiful day it is, nice and cold, comfortable in the sun. And we got here seagulls, Canadian geese. Yeah, they hang out all year round. Those are my buddies, man. Don't you have buddies? So I'm gonna head on back on the bicycle, pack you away, and go continue on what I need to do and get on going. So I did my vlog, did my talk, did my share. I didn't go for my walk this morning. I went for a bike ride instead. Yeah, I'm wearing a pair of gloves and it's too cold in the AM hour. I'd rather ride my bike when it's comfortable. I'm glad I filled my tires up. I'm rolling along nice and comfortable. I'm glad I fixed my issues, resolved some of my issues, and taken care of business. Oh, Joe was good to me today. We'll see what Joe can do later. I'm waiting for a lens to come overseas. And it'll be here a lot sooner than getting it on Amazon, if it was available earlier, but it's a lot later. And we'll see what happens with that, the street lights at night. Am I gonna like it? Am I gonna love it? Am I gonna hate it? It's worth a shot than doing nothing at all. Check this on out. Isn't that neat? Look at that bad boy, man. That is awesome. I should go back and take a photo and share it to the world. And I think I will. I'm gonna head on back. I'm trying to figure out why the camera doesn't make any noise on photos. I got it on, you know, a timer, tick, 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 and that's all I hear. No chick, chick. DJI, can you give us a shutter speed sound when you snap a photo, please? I think I got my footage, what I need for today. I can go back down and sit and edit, see if I have any issues. And off I go. Put a couple of titles, a couple quick text. That's about it. At least I know for me, because this is the first time the Action 5 Pro hit winter with me. I share my fun, my stories, my stuff to you. And, you know, if it's not to your liking, head on next door. The one behind or after, up or down. And on that note, have a great day. I'm Fish. Man, I'm so looking for one of these. A little scooter so I could ride along. I got a bike though. I can hardly see. I got the winter sun in my eyes. And it's just blinding me no matter which way I turn.